Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the iPad is ready. Update iPad OS so features work reliably. Next, install Google Calendar and sign in with the account you'll use for events. Once done, grant Calendar access to contacts and allow notifications so reminders appear. This prevents missing invites and keeps colors synced. Make sure iCloud Calendar toggles won't conflict by checking settings. If you have multiple accounts, enable the one you want to show. This starts everything correctly and avoids duplication. You now create events and fine-tune details to match your workflow. Tap the plus button, add a clear title, choose start and end times, and set a location. This helps map link show on iPad. Then, add guests and notification times. Use repeat for 1/4, weekly, or custom recurrences. Once done, pick the calendar color to visually separate work versus personal. You can also attach files or notes so everything needed is in one event, reducing follow-up steps later. You finish by ensuring synchronization and quick access across devices. Enable sync for your Google account under Settings and refresh the app by pulling down. That forces a sync immediately. Then, add the Google Calendar widget to the home screen for a fast glance at upcoming items. If something goes wrong, events missing, or duplicates, make sure the correct default calendar is selected, confirm network connectivity, and toggle account sync off and on. That usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.